Back out here this morning trying to figure this thing out before the guys get here to make a determination if this truck gets to go snow wheeling today or if the Tacoma's going. So thanks to Patrick for sending me some diagrams. I learned that I did not have the 12 volts needed at the mass airflow sensor. Tested that, traced it back, and I found apparently Toyota used like white with a red stripe on all the harness power. And I found this extra plugs in here that weren't plugged into anything, and there was no 12 volts to the red and white wire, or white with red. I'm sorry. So I got power connected to that, and I found a switch power source, and I just plugged it in. And I don't know if you can read that, but yeah, I gotta look over my glasses because I'm getting old. But anyway, it says malfunction indicator lamp status off. So before, as soon as I turned the key on, that was coming on initially, like immediately. No ifs, ands, or buts. So I'm gonna cross our fingers, hope for the best. Hopefully this is it. The truck's in neutral. You gotta shake it about 20 times to make sure it's in neutral. Fuel pump. Now I did just have the battery disconnected, so it's probably gonna like fire and die a few times as the computer relearns the start procedure or whatever. Or maybe not. Maybe it's happy. This is good. This is real good. Yeah, so my mass airflow sensor rate is actually reading now. I was getting no reading through that before. And the ignition timing before was stuck at 5 degrees. It didn't vary at all. And right now upon startup it shows it's at 17 and a half. I think we got a winner. Oh yeah, baby. Let's get this thing outside. All right. Well, I think we're gonna take it down the road for its first voyage all the way to Roy's to get some gas in it and back. Some people are showing up here shortly, and we're gonna go out and hit the woods, see how it does. Well, we made it this far. She shakes. The tires are about square from sitting for 2 years. The brakes are rusted over, so it doesn't want to stop real good. But so far, so good, I guess. So we made it down the road to Roy's, back to the house, pulling in the house. We went from full brake fluid to no brake fluid in a short amount of time because I hit the pedal and there was nothing there. So I hit it a couple of more times. And thankfully, we were able to get it back here safely. But the brake hose going to the rear axle blew out. So, thankful for having 2 trucks, I guess. Today just wasn't the day. But we made it down the road and back. It runs. Now we'll keep working through more kinks, I guess. It's part of the pitfall of having stuff sit around that long. So, the other truck's warming up. I think it's a 2 Mountain Dew day. So, just getting in the old garage fridge, grabbing a couple beverages for the road. Yeah. Anyway, if it ain't one thing, it's 20, right? Cruising around in my automobile. This is our group today. Severely outnumbered by these Jeep things. And there's a Hummer.
He never wants to play with them unless somebody's with them.
Even the little trucks get worked on the trail. Wheels got so packed full of snow it wouldn't turn. No, it wants to turn right, but it doesn't want to turn left still.
Did you check the trim on the...
There's something stuck in my tire. See it like winging around. And Johnny Law. Stopped and chatted with him for just a second. Super nice guy. Anyway, we're just waiting. Tim's supposed to catch up to us here. Keep having fun. When you reach the dead end, so Chris is backing his way back out to a spot to turn around. There was enough room for everybody else to turn around, thankfully. The road, boys. Well, that's the end of that road, guys.
Almost got the stump.
Did we?
Yeah, it's like a 3-foot tall stump.
Heat on our feet again.
Feet get cold quick.
Yeah, I don't mind standing around outside talking, but my feet get cold. probably looks neat from the outside. The suspension was definitely doing things. Yeah, this is cool over here, all along the river.
Oh, and then you get down into like high rollways.
Yeah. I know, I kind of want to go through there, but... Well, it's a little muddy back in here. Let's see if we can get through it. No problem. The CJ's not as big. Guess we'll get up here and go back and check on everybody else. Poor CJ is really having to earn its keep here, building an ice wall. By the time he gets through it, he should have all the snow and ice broke up enough for everybody to get through nice and easy. Nice.
Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the news off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a I don't need saving, it's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots. You were not as tough though.